Hi everyone, it's me, your Ging, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Tuesday and it's 11:27 in the morning, guys, and I just actually woke up because I slept late last night because I do some modules and some activities in school. I still have a lot of them. So why I did make this video. So it's from the viewers that can I film when I have to install my ceiling. So today's video, guys, is we are going to film the two person that is working or installed my ceiling right here in my house. So maybe you are wondering why I have to renovate even if I am just renting here. And the reason why is I did pay the first payment, which is big enough already. So I am also sure and very sure that I can get this house, and I don't feel that I'm secure, or I mean safe right here, because the house is not close. I mean there's no ceiling, and I have decided to install a ceiling for my important stuff like my camera. It is expensive and I couldn't even afford some expensive gadgets, so I take good care of it, especially if I'm not around in the house. If it's I'm gonna go outside or visit my parents, for the safety or for assurance, you know what I mean. This time is very hard life for us. We struggled a lot, and I will going to show you here. Actually, I am in the room. Currently, I am in the room, and I'm going to show you here. The first room was done ready. They have installed 2 plywood. I just used 2 plywood, guys, because I couldn't afford this styrofoam. So yeah, it is around almost $400. Actually, it's belong to the labor. The labor is $200. And also the plywood is around, and the nails and something like that. So I think it's great idea for me, because it's safer now than before. And I have also to renovate the doorknob. The doorknob is not really safe because it's shaking. I think even the window glass is still, there are two messing with it, so I have to, I have a lot of things to do. So yeah, I am going to show you the update about my ceiling right here. Wait, right, it's a little bit dark right here, but I hope you can see me. Right, so this room here, wait guys, I use this one. It's actually, this is all plywood here. So that is the plywood that I use from the wood. So this is my room right now. It's a little bit dirty here because I have to install the floor mat. Yes, I have to install floor mat here. It's dirty. My bed is huge, and it's huge for a small room. The room is not that big. I think it suits me because I'm small, so it doesn't matter at all. Anyway, so they installed 2 plywood here. It's only 2 of them. So now it's look like this. So the other video, it's not look like this. So there's no hole, or there's no way, so that it is very close. I want like this way for my safety stuff or important matters or important things, so if I'm not around, I can lock it and feel comfortable. guys, I'm here at the, what is this? How do you call this one? I stopped here for a while to wash my bike, and it would be using the machine, not my manual hands, but still the same. All right, it's 5 pesos. It's fast yet work for washing my bike. The fast yet, only 5 pesos. This way of cleaning your bike is not hassle because you just have to put 5 pesos in the machine, and then the water will go out very easy. So, just bring my own detergent balls for the muddy or dirty will become. Your bike so that your bike will love you. It's actually just, this place is right next to my place there in the province. It's 3 minutes away or 2 minutes away. Now we are going to prepare some circle for the drilled fish for our it's fish inside. We need to drill like this way.
Sa pangurasan na ito, pangurasan na. Pangay ko.
currently working right here. So the first room was already being installed by the ceiling here. So I just use the plywood and also the wood. This is just a simple ceiling, you know, because I couldn't afford the expensive one or the styrofoam. So today also I hired someone to install my electrical wiring because it's messy. So I decided to install both of them. So the ceiling and the electrical wire. So I did put one bulb here. So it's messy here, completely messy. It takes a lot of work. And yeah, it's installing like this. It's gotta be clean. If you can see, the wires are messy. It's spreading around here. And look at that. It's everywhere, so I have to fix it up. See that? And all the things is right here. So yeah, it's messy, guys. I couldn't imagine how stressed seeing this one, but I'm hoping that for the next day it will be fixed up and been sorted out, you know. So yeah, I have to wait for the two rooms was being installed by the ceiling and the electrical wires, so I can start fixing or sorting out from the stuff right here outside. So yeah, it takes a lot of time. Right, guys, it's 4:10 in the afternoon, so I think they couldn't finish today the second room. So I think tomorrow again, guys. And if you can see this one, wait, it's a little bit darker because I was inside the room. Hold on, I will gonna show you here. So this is right here. It's look like this. You know, it's very often right here, and it's not safe if I'm not around in the house. So that's why I decided to install this ceiling using plywood. It's because I wanted to make it close, guys. You know, it's safer, and you know, if the lizard are pooping around, so it will not be direct to my bed. So it's actually the room for my sister. It's so dirty actually. I have to do something to for this. And after sealing, you know, the electrical wire, then after that budget, I'll stop for it, and then I'll save for painting. I'm gonna paint the room, yeah, and change the color because it's so dirty right here. So there's messing right there for glass, you know, there are two missing right there, so I have to replace it, you know. So yeah, so tomorrow again, they are still here actually. If you can see the door, guys, I have to install another door now, and outside it's messy. Yes, oh, manong ka. Yes, so here, I'm glad. I want to look it like this. If you can see that one, see. So now I'm not dark here in the room because I did install already the light bulb here. And it's cleaner here. I just started to make it you know, cleaner. I want to look it like this. So today the electrical wires you know, sorted out. Right, so you can see that tomorrow we will going to finish that tomorrow. So right, guys, I think it's time for me to let you go. So it's 4:10 here, so I have to do some things also. I feel great today and very happy because we did achievement today, to fix or install the ceiling, and electrical wire will be tomorrow again. And it's not yet finished. It's been 3 days working already, the ceiling. So yeah, I hope you like this video. One of my viewers suggested to do this video. And thank you so much for suggesting. And I would love to thank you so much for everyone helping me out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications for you to be updated when I have new videos comes out. I'll see you next time. Love you all.